What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to get an invoice on British Airways, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, is it possible to get an invoice or a printed receipt from British Airways? Of course. How to get it? Well, basically there is a type of form to fill in so you can get your invoice. As you can see, when you type in British Airways customer receipt request, we are having this form over here. So the important thing is to protect their customer data. Their security and compliance procedures only allows them to send financial receipt documents to the email address originally provided at the time a booking was made, or basically added as part of any subsequent payment taken. They cannot send this info to any alternative email address that may be provided. So as you can see, you need to enter a couple of options. First, the title, we are having Mr., Mrs., and basically whichever your title is. Then of course your first and last name, and basically an email address that was originally provided at the time of the booking or added as part of any subsequent payment taken. Your telephone number, executive club number, and tier, which is optional if you have one. Flight number, basically you can find it easily on your booking options, and date of travel, of course, which they can only provide a receipt for travel dates within the last 12 months. What documentation do you require? So over here you're having 6 options. Then we are having city of departure and arrival, booking reference, which is optional, and any additional info you'd like to tell them. So please do not send any credit card number other than payment details. So guys, basically that's the entirety of the process on how to get an invoice from British Airways. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.